We now look at the scale on maps and the planes. Scale on maps and the planes. So we are saying these are stated in a ratio form of 1 to n. This ratio gives the representative fraction 1 over n of the map. What do we mean? We have an example where we are told to say a scale of 1 to 50,000 means that 1 centimeter on the map represents 50,000 centimeters on the actual ground. If you see a scale which is 1 to something, this means that 1 centimeter on the map. By the way, what is a map? A map, actually, it is a representation of the actual ground, or of the actual thing, or of the actual object on a piece of paper. If I draw the map of Zambia on this paper, it means that I have brought the entire map of Zambia on the paper. But is that the actual map of Zambia, or the whole area of Zambia? Can the whole Zambia fit on this on this piece of paper? The answer is no. But I can draw, meaning I am using some ratios, I am reducing some distances. For example, the whole map of Zambia, if you were to go around it, we find that the length, it can't fit on this piece of paper. But we can draw the whole map of Zambia on the piece of paper because of this subtopic known as scale on the map and planes. So this means that we are reducing the size, the actual size, into centimeters, because centimeters can fit on the piece of paper. Meters can't fit on the piece of paper. Kilometers can't fit on the piece of paper. So we do that by using the scales. So if you see a scale of 1 to something, this means that 1 centimeter on the map, on that piece of paper, represents 50,000, or represents whatever number you have been given, that number in 2 centimeters on the actual ground. So this 50,000 centimeters can also be written in kilometers as 0.5 kilometers. How? Because in 1 kilometer there are 100,000 centimeters. Remember our previous lesson. There are 100 centimeters. There are 100,000 centimeters in 1 kilometer. This means that to convert this 50,000 centimeters into kilometers, you divide it with 100,000 centimeters. So this is the reason why we have 0.5 kilometers on the actual ground. Now let's look at the examples. We have the example which says a map. Our example is a map is drawn to a scale of 1 to 50,000. By the way, this means that 1 centimeter on the map represents 50,000 centimeters on the actual ground. Now the question is, on the map, the length of a straight road, so there's a road on the map which is measured as 7.5 centimeters. What is the actual distance of the road in kilometers? So we have to convert this number into kilometers. So we know that, not even we know, but this one means 1 centimeter on the map represents what is 50,000 centimeters in kilometers. We have already discussed here that it means 0.5 kilometers. Now the question is, what of 7.5 centimeters on the map? What will be this in kilometers? The answer is that we don't know. So this means that we are going to cross multiply. If we cross multiply, we are going to have 1 centimeter and x, because this one times that we are going to have this is equal to 7.5 centimeters multiplied by 0.5 kilometers. So we're going to say divided by 1 centimeter, even this other side 1 centimeter, so that this centimeter and this centimeters goes. So we're going to say this one and this one, it will go. Then we remain with x is equal to, what is 7.5 multiplied by 0.5? 7.5 multiplied by 0.5. What answer do we get? The answer is 1.5 kilometers. So we're going to have 1.5 kilometer. So this means that the distance of a straight road on the map, which is 7.5, if you convert this one on the actual ground, it will give us 1.5 kilometers on the actual ground. Otherwise, thank you so much. We end here with our lesson. Let's look out for the other lessons to do with the scale on maps and planes. Not only are we going to look at other lessons, we'll also look at exam questions which comes on the scale, on maps and the planes. Thank you so much.